Today we will learn how to make jam-filled muffins. Ingredients: flour 250 grams, sugar 160 grams, 2 eggs, dry fruits and cherry 75 grams, baking powder and baking soda 1 teaspoon each, and jam for fillings. Process: beat butter to make a cream base. Slowly add sugar and eggs. Beat well, mix well until sugar dissolves. Add baking powder and baking soda, mix it, then slowly add flour in parts. Add 50% mixed dry fruits and cherry, mix well, then add balance mixed dry fruits and cherry. Add food color. Food color it's optional. Fill 50% of the mold with the batter, then add jam or jelly. Fill up the balance mold with batter. Top it with fruits and cherries. Baking time 20 minutes and set the oven to 160 degrees.